Hello guys. Welcome to the Payment Guide YouTube channel. If you're trying to send or receive international wire transfers through Intesa Sanpaolo Bank, Italy, you know you can't get anywhere without a valid IBAN. In today's video, I'm going to walk you through the exact step-by-step process to get the correct IBAN for the Intesa Sanpaolo, Italy, in just a few clicks. Make sure to watch this video all the way until the end without skipping any part, so you don't miss out on the key bank details you'll need later. Before we dive into the steps, if you're new to the channel, take a brief second to hit that subscribe button and click the bell icon. That way, you'll never miss out on our latest informative videos and payment guides. In this video, I will show you how to find Intesa Sanpaolo IBAN number. After you log in your Intesa Sanpaolo Bank app, you will arrive on the main dashboard of the app. Here you can see your account, balance, and recent transactions. Tap on the account to open the account details page. Once the account page opens, scroll through the information section. Here you can see the IBAN is displayed clearly in the account information area together with other details like the account holder name and branch information. The IBAN usually starts with the country code for Italy, which is IT, followed by several numbers and letters. So, as you can see on the screen, it is your IBAN for the Intesa Sanpaolo Bank. And that is exactly how simple it is. That is the fastest, safest method to find the verified IBAN for Intesa Sanpaolo Bank. If this video helped you out today, please give it a thumbs up, share it with anyone who might find it useful, and leave a comment below if you have any questions about international bank transfers. Thank you so much for watching the Payment Guide channel. Don't forget to subscribe and hit that bell notification icon, and I will see you all in the very next video.